Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
How do you feel today?
I feel
She wants to sit down. I've not seen Agnes, but I guess she's inside here already. So guys, let's go.
May outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug. I swear.
I swear.
I will not be ashamed to say I know not, nor.
Drinks bring back all the memories. Memories brings back, memories bring back you.
Hi, Kemi.
Hi.
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 How are you?
I'm good.
How do you feel today?
I feel good.
Describe your feeling in one word.
Happy, grateful.
One word.
One word. Happy.
Oh yeah.
I'm really happy.
Okay, let's head to your grad. Guys, I'm here. I don't know what to feel. I'm posting my graduation ceremony on the screen that is playing it, and Kemi, she wants to sit down. I've not seen Agnes, but I guess she's inside here already. So guys, let's go. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get inside too. No. Assam. Oh my god! Smart in the UK.
I swear to fulfill, to the best of my ability and judgment, this covenant. I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow. I will apply for the benefit of the sick. All measures are required, avoiding those tweet traps of over-treatment and therapeutic nihilism. I will remember that there is art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug. I swear.
I swear.
I will not be ashamed to say I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for a patient's recovery. I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems.
That is what hallelujah.
A day we have envisioned countless of times throughout our 6-year journey. We arrive as aspiring students, full of dreams and determination. And today, we stand together as doctors, ready to serve our communities and our country. The road to this moment was long and demanding, filled with challenges that tested our endurance and resolve. Yet, through it all, we persevered, proving to ourselves that we are capable.
Very important.
Спасибо огромное за подарок, который найдет достойное место в стенах нашего университета.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but tonight as the drinks bring back all the memories. And memories brings back you. Do 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 do. Memories brings back you.
When I see you again. God, French for life. Oh my God.
Moscow, Kazan, really beautiful. Had some good teachers that have taught me a lot of things. Kursk I've enjoyed as well. Just this cold weather is becoming a lot now.
just dead and waiting. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to remember when we were at that baby the gorgeous fool. Ride on the broken road. My mind, just the mind that you left in your eyes. It goes on and on and on and on and on. You'll never catch up. Can't switch on the mind at all. And my dog color is not far. Preoccupied by your left in your eyes.
Our group is like a family, okay? I feel Asian because of them. Yes! 50%.
For them, the going long is long. Me, not quite long. Not quite long. No, me was like maybe an hour ago, then maybe 1.5 hours. Yeah, doctor now. I know how to feel. You know how to feel. Congratulations, Enyo. Congrats. I'm trying to find this guy. I'm trying to now employ me. As in.
Wait, let me remove this. Videos. You guys should. For the sisters, let's give them a kiss out. For the sisters. What video there? Please help me hold this. Sorry.
It's true, how do you know snap with you?
Hey!
Oh, come on. I tell you.
Oh yeah, make it one, make it one. Cecilia. I want to get it out. Oh my goodness. Asa, you look so good. Thank you. Let me yeah, I love the video because someone touched the pin right there.